welcome to Dadi's Awesome Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a veggie burger. To start with, I have like about 3 medium potatoes boiled and mashed, and I have 1 cup, about 3 beets, and I baked them and I shredded. Add that in here. And I have about half a cup spinach, which I sauteed first and cut in small pieces, and 1 cup parsley, also chopped. I have 1 cup of peas and green beans. Also I baked it in the oven about 10-15 minutes, and then I cut it in, grind it in chopper. Now I have here black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, about 1 teaspoon coriander grinded powder. Cumin seeds. 1 onion chopped in small pieces. 5 cloves of garlic, which already small pieces, cut in small pieces. 1 teaspoon the paprika, and 1 cup quick oat. I sort of grind them. 1 teaspoon chili flakes, makes it a little bit spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. It's kosher salt. Salt to your taste. I'm gonna mix that. So you mix it just like that. So I'm just putting a little bit of oil, brushing it. So I'm going to put less oil as possible. I do a little bit on the other side when I do. Okay.
Then Daddy's gonna make the patties.
There you go.
So now Daddy's flipping the patties.
Yeah. So there you go.
They have a beautiful crisp color.
A little bit more oil in here. Just a little bit. It gives the crisp taste, right? You don't have to put if you don't want to, but it's your choice. You can make totally oil-free. So I just make a ball like that and press it down with the hand, and keep sort of pressing on the edges. Now if you don't want to use the potatoes, you can use the boiled rice in here. That also be really good. So there you go, that's how you do.
We're just toasting the buns now.
So there you go, our vegan burger is ready. It's all dressed up, and you guys want to taste it now? Alright.
Oh my god, this looks so good.
What's the taste like? Like juicy?